Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the what? Another unboxing.
Unboxing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, if you don't know about these, I said did have to see these in hand. Once I saw them in hand, they did look like that Carolina blue. You know, I had to go ahead and cop these. You should recognize the box. Bam.
Uh-oh.
My size,
Uh-oh.
size T.
Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Drum roll.
Classic.
Drum roll. Yes, sir. Drum roll.
With the regular paper. Bam.
Ooh.
Got these.
Mm.
AKA, I call them like the Mellows, Carmelo Anthony's for those old head basketball players out there. Look like some Denver Nugget shoes.
Mm.
Got that light baby blue back in the day. And the Denver Nuggets used to wear these with that yellow. Look like
Mm-hmm.
Mellow. So
Mm.
just coming at you, just showing you. Got these a quick unboxing. We will have a further detailed review as usual, but just want to let you know did cop these for under retail from StockX. Again, I'm not trying to support StockX. You get your shoes wherever you can afford them, but as for me, I'm always trying to save money, so I'm always looking to purchase my shoes wherever they're the cheapest. It's usually either StockX or eBay. To be honest with you, I
Mm-hmm.
know Gold and those other flight clubs are real expensive. Um, As for me, I know I wanted this to be more Carolina colors, but so I wish they would have left that yellow Jumpman off. I wish it was blue or another color, or like these pods right here actually look dark, like black to me, but I'm not sure if they're supposed to look dark blue or what, but definitely giving me more of Denver Nuggets old school vibes with that yellow.
Mm-hmm.
You're able to cop these, and I know my brother, you're a fan of these.
Oh,
Because
yes,
you
sir.
rock the 13s. So what do you think about these?
Hey, I love them. I love it. I love it. You know what I mean? Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I'm a fan of those. I'm a fan of the 13s, man. They a nice clean shoe. You know I'm all about the gear. How can you rock
Yes,
that
sir.
with the gear? But they really pop when you put them with some jeans and a nice hey polo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, those right there, thumbs up. Thumbs up all day, twice on Sunday.
So in your recommendation, when you're saying with jeans, would you wear like dark blue jeans or light color in your opinion?
In my opinion, I would go with some dark jeans. I would go with dark jeans with it because it's a light color. So,
Okay.
just to bring the two together, and
Yeah, it makes
maybe,
sense.
yeah, and then maybe you hit them with a light color shirt. You know what I'm saying? But
Yes,
that
sir.
right there, I'm loving those. I'm loving
So you
those.
might be seeing these on feed for one of our short Friday videos. Stay tuned for that.
Yes,
We'll have to wait
sir.
and see.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
we say it for sure when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Bye.